Missing someone.
Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little prep with me for the new semester vlog. I'm really excited to do this because it is actually my last semester in college ever. I'm a senior. I'm so excited to just like start like the real world, but I'm also like obviously like super nervous because like I'm gonna be an adult and I'm gonna be working for the rest of my life after this. But I'm super excited to just share this journey with you guys. So today I'm gonna be packing, organizing like my planner, notebooks and things like that. I actually went to Target right before I filmed this clip to get some notebooks for my classes and things like that. I didn't start vlogging earlier just because I was taking an exam this morning, which I passed. Oh my gosh, you guys do not know. I was studying for 6 months for this exam. So like, honestly, I really wanted to pass it, okay? But your girl did. And I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm really in a good mood and I'm home now. Got my notebooks and I'm just gonna be packing and just preparing. So keep on watching. This looks a mess, but this is all of the clothes that I'm bringing back to school with me, and I just like to lay them out on my bed when I'm first packing just so I know what I'm bringing, and if I do need to like eliminate things, I can do that. So this first pile here is like nicer tops, like a button up, cute blouses, sweaters, and then over here I have hoodies because I go to school in upstate New York. It gets super cold and I love just being able to throw on a hoodie and leggings and go. Then I have some workout stuff. I didn't bring too much workout clothes home, but I have a couple. Then I have my pants overall. I have sweats, jeans, wide leg pants, leather leggings, regular jeans, these cool brown pants. And then I have, got a text. I love when I get a text now because it goes through my phone and laptop and it just makes this pink sound. I have these shorts as well, and where I go to school, it doesn't really get warm until like the last week or two of the semester, but I just like to have a pair of shorts with me just so that I don't have to wear, you know, jeans when I'm like hot and it's like 80 degrees. Then I just have a pile of like shirts, like just shirts that I would wear like going out on a regular day, things like that. I'm gonna organize this later when I start to actually pack it into my suitcase. But yeah, so this is everything. And now I'm gonna show you guys my shoes. So I know these are like a lot of shoes, but these are like my core shoes. Like a lot of them are shoes that I wear all the time. So I have my Asics workout sneakers, my Comme des Garçons Converse, my really cool Air Force Ones with like mismatch backs. I have my regular Air Force Ones. I have a pair of black booties, clear heels, black strappy heels, and my Docs. So yeah, those are my shoes, and I'm gonna show you guys how I pack all this up.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal.
So I'm almost done packing, but I wanted to show you guys what my suitcase looked like before I put in all the last bit of the clothes. So this is pretty much what it looks like right now. So I have my shoes on one side and I have them like double stacked, as you guys can see. I don't normally do this, but because I'm going back with a lot more shoes than I came home with, I want to make sure to do this just so that I can fit everything in my suitcase. And this little middle section is where I usually put like my bras and underwear and things like that, either in this mesh part or in those little pockets right here. And then on this side I have pretty much all of my clothes, so all the sweatshirts, the pants, the workout clothes, everything is over here. And all I have left to pack is the pile of shirts that I showed you guys, and I'm going to put that on top of the shoes as well as in that little space right there. So I just added the tops on top of my shoes, and as you guys can see, I still have so much space. But why I like to have a little bit extra space is just in case I realize there's something that I need to pack or I need to throw in there, I have that little bit of space. And if tomorrow morning, by the time I'm like getting ready to make sure I have everything, this space is still here, what I'll do is I'll take clothes from this side and transfer it over so it evens out the weight. And yeah, so I have that. And also, this is super random, but I have these two stickers right here that I really want to put on my suitcase because I have nowhere to put them, and I just think they would look super cute. So I'm gonna probably do that right now.
this moment that he knew he fucked up.
So as you guys saw from that last clip, I really wasn't thinking that through. I got a black notebook and I was gonna write on all my notebooks with black Sharpie. So I'm gonna do this the little ratchet way because I don't have any labels, but that is okay. So I'm gonna take a piece of paper, scissors, some tape, and just like make a label and write out the class that I need to take, because that was just so funny, because I really just had my black marker in my hand and looked at this like, can I write with a black marker on a black notebook? So yep, do better than me. So now all of my notebooks are done, and I didn't realize that they all actually go together, so like they look really cute. But I'm going to show you guys all the classes that I'm taking and pretty much how I'm organizing my calendar and planner. So I wanted to show you guys how I organize my Google Calendar. I've been using Google Calendar for years. I've been adding my classes in here since probably like high school. So I really just wanted to share with you all my first week, like an overview of it, and break down what classes I'm taking and things like that. So Monday I have a meeting with one of my professors for 2 hours because I'm TAing for her class. And we just want to go over some last minute things to make sure we're both on the same page and everything like that. And then Monday I also have my first class, which is Principles of Advertising at 2. Then I have Cardinal PR, which is our student-run PR agency on campus, and we meet once a week for 3 hours. And then I have a workout class that night at 7 o'clock. Then on Tuesday I have my TA class, so the class I'm TAing for, and that's at 9:30. And then I have my second class of the day, PR and event marketing, at 2 to 3:15. Then I have my marketing and e-commerce class from 3:30 to 4:45, and then I'm taking a core workout class at 6. And then on Wednesday, I'm taking an early morning workout class, hard body. I actually took this class last semester and I really loved it, so I wanted to continue taking that workout class this semester. Then I have a check-in with one of the clubs that I'm a part of on campus, the National Association of Black Journalists. And then I'm also taking my Principles of Advertising class on Wednesday as well, because it is a Monday-Wednesday class. Then on Thursday, I'm TAing again at 9:30, have my PR and event marketing class, my e-commerce class, and then I'm taking this like 10-10-10 workout class at 6. And then Fridays, I have no class, which is amazing, and I'm just going to be taking a spin class with a girl that I took her spin classes last semester, and I absolutely love them, and I'm taking that from 12 to 1. So that's pretty much my schedule for the first week of classes, and I just wanted to share with you all how I break it down. Hey guys, I'm actually about to cook dinner now, but one thing I actually thought about a couple days ago that I thought would be a really good tip for you guys, and I'm glad I thought about it, is to make a little bit of extra dinner tonight because I'm leaving for school tomorrow. That way I can save it and have some dinner for tomorrow instead of ordering out like I usually do, because usually when I get home from break, or not get home, get back to school for break, and like it's the first night back, I usually just order food, and it ends up being a lot of money because delivery fees and things like that is just so annoying, and they always want to charge like an extra 10 bucks for like a burrito bowl or something. So I'm gonna make some extra dinner so that I have that to eat tomorrow night. And yeah, so I'm gonna be making chicken, some broccoli, and some rice, and I think I may throw in some sweet potatoes. So can see, I did make quite a lot of food. This is probably around 2 or 3 meals for me, but what I was thinking is I'm gonna actually text my roommate Courtney and ask her if she wants any food, because if she does, then we can just share this and then we can both have dinner tomorrow. So yeah, really recommend just making your dinner the day before or the day of and going back to school with it so you don't have to spend too much money on delivery fees. And you